Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe on making yogurt, and with this recipe you can make any type of yogurt that you desire. It's going to be a very easy recipe to follow, and we're only going to be using 2 ingredients. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. To start this recipe, I'm using my favorite yogurt. So whatever yogurt you like, that's the one you're going to use. Now I like this fat-free one. It's a little bit on the thinner side than the regular yogurt. And I'm going in with 1 cup of that. You do need to use store-bought yogurt to make yogurt because the cultures that are in the yogurt, I personally don't know how to make them. So this is the foolproof way of making it. In goes my milk, which is whole milk or stay fresh milk or full cream milk. And if you're making a sweet version, you'll add in some sweetened condensed milk or some sugar. You can also add in some vanilla essence if you're making a sweet version. Give that a mix, make sure it's well mixed in. And then next we're going to cover. Now you do need your instant pot to make this. I don't think your stove is going to stay on for 8 hours. So go ahead and cover your Instant Pot and put the button to seal. Next, we're going to press the yogurt function. And here it's at 8 hours already set for us. And all we have to do is press start. Now this is going to run for 8 hours. So you need it to leave it alone, let it do its thing. This was 2 hours left on the Instant Pot, and once it was done, all you had to do was put the valve to vent, and then we could go ahead and open it. When I opened this, I smelled that yogurt right away. It's a little bit on the thinner side because it's very hot, or still warm actually at this time, not very hot but still warm. And the low fat yogurt that I use always makes a thinner yogurt. So if you're using like a Greek or normal yogurt, you'll get a thicker consistency. Next, you're going to pour it out in your container. This, you're going to refrigerate it overnight and it will set up a little more. If you're making Greek yogurt, it's going to set up even firmer for you. So cover and refrigerate, and then the next day I'll spoon out some and show you guys what it looks like. So time to check our yogurt. Look at the consistency. You can tell it's a very soft, delicate yogurt. But this is my favorite yogurt to make. So remember guys, you have to use the store-bought because you have all of the cultures in there. And I hope you all give this recipe a try. Comment and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching and requesting this. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe everyone.